Hey guys, Jankua here from Mybizbreakthroughs. Today I will show you how you can create your automated webinar. So let me just pull this out for you. So when your target customer registered to your webinar, they can set the webinar date here and the webinar time that they want to attend. So when they click any from this time, you will send this automation email to your attendees, like the webinar confirmation, webinar starting now, reminder that your webinar is on, or if they miss your offer, you can send them a message like, did you leave the webinar soon? Or if they saw your offer but they didn't purchase the product that you are selling, then you can send an automation message to your attendees to give them your special discount with your limited time offer. First, make sure you watch part 1 and part 2 of this training series on how you can create an auto webinar inside ClickFunnels before you can proceed to this step. So here, make sure that you are in the auto webinar registration and just click this automation. And here you will see the triggers for this webinar. So the confirmation to our webinar, we want this immediately. So we will just keep this as default. Now go here, click this edit. So you will see here from name, this is the registration confirmation. And you will see this subject confirmation. So ClickFunnels will already populate this for you. So ClickFunnels will put your webinar title here. And then next is the SMTP configuration. So just make sure that you have your SMTP configuration set up. So just click this drop down arrow and just click your SMTP configuration. For me, I just set it to SendGrid SMTP. And for the condition, what we want here is everyone. So make sure that you click everyone. And this will be your HTML body of your email. So ClickFunnels already populate this for you. So here you will see the webinar title, the name. So this name will be replaced by the name of your subscriber, the person who registered to your webinar. And then you will see here, thank you for registering, and then the webinar title, and then webinar date and webinar time. And here you will see the webinar link. And they have this, please print this page out right now and post it near your computer. Also, your access link and login details will be sent again to this email address the day before the event. So you can just keep this as default, or if you want to change this, then you can just change the content of this email. And if you want to remove this powered by ClickFunnels, get your trial account, so you can just delete it here, okay? So now if you want to remove this message, you can just delete this. All right? And then just click this update email. Next, we will set our webinar starting now. So just click this edit. And from name, you can just put your name here. So I'll just put my name here, Jankua. And subject, we will just leave this as default. And here, condition, we will just put this everyone. And then go up here, you will see this email delay. Just click this email delay. Here you will input if delay days, and here delay hours. Now, if I want to delay this in 20 minutes, so 60 minutes equals 100. So if we want to delay this for 20 minutes, so this will be 20 times 100% divided by 60 equals negative 0.33. Then delay from webinar time, just keep this checked and then click update email. So now we already set up our webinar starting now at 20 minutes. So you can just set the triggers of your webinar here. So this one, like for example, reminder your webinar is on. And let's say if they miss the webinar, you can send this, did you miss yesterday webinar? Or if they attended but miss your offer, then you can send this email like, did you leave the webinar early? And here, this is where you can send your promo, your discount offer. If they saw your webinar, but they didn't purchase your product. You can add a new action here, add new email, or add new SMS text. So this is how you can use the automation messages from ClickFunnels for your auto webinar funnel. And if you want to learn more on how to build your own online business career, just click the link below this video. Jankua here, your breakthrough guide to design your future.